What up, gang? Gang, welcome back. Today, yes, as y'all saw, I'm looking over here because I got my webcam back. Well, apparently, the webcam didn't carry over. Can y'all hear that music? The webcam didn't carry over into... No. The webcam didn't carry over into the video. So... Oh my gosh, I look so pale. So, this is what we're going to be looking at today. Okay. I like Mrs. Edwards. She is my teacher. I like when she does meth with us. No! Yes, this is my phone. What is that teacher doing? Next one. Write an example of a risk. This. I don't get that. Find X. Here it is.
Here.
Whatever that says is an irrational number.
Here.
Irrational number. Whatever that says equals 18. It says square root of 2 plus square root of 8 to the second power equals 18. I think if you square a number, you should always get a ratio. Oh, whatever that says. Tracy is wrong. Write an example to show Tracy is wrong. She's a woman. Whoa! That's sexist. Whoa! Bro, who wrote this? I bet it was Kyle. It was Kyle. Kyle. Cause Tony practices the piano 20 minutes every day. Effect, he is a big nerd. Not all nerds play the piano. What? I don't play the piano. Okay. Student survey. Whatever that says. In a word, describe school. True. If y'all still in school, then y'all should relate. I relate. If you relate, put hashtag relatable in the comments. Spam it in the comments. Yeah.
Yeah, baby! Let's go!
Teacher quiz patterns. How is the brain a cantaloupe? Unit. List 7 ways. It is delicious.
Whoa.
Zombies? Zombies? Question mark? Next one. Expand A plus B to A plus B n equals A plus B n. The teacher says, very sorry, Peter. Very wrong, or I don't know. I can't read that. What? It is confusing because I can't read most of these. Oh. So, this was in March 17th. That's the day before my cousin's birthday. March 17th, 2005. States that are object in motion wants to stay in motion. Body at rest. Drop the class, save yourself. Next. Name a pair of vertical angles. Vertical angles. Isn't that F and C? Like, is it vertical this way? What's I don't know. Horror movie. Just imagine what do they even know that chicken though? Chicken probably look good. That look good. That look like an oven, but I'm pretty sure it's rotisserie. That chicken look good. To find a woman, you need time and money. Therefore, woman equals time at time. Woman equals time times money. Time is money, so time equals money. Therefore, woman equals money times money. Woman equals money to the second power. Money is the root of all problems. Money is Money is the square root of problems. Therefore, woman equals square root problems to the second power. Woman equals problems. Oh my gosh. I've never heard anything so like, I don't know if it's like true or like wrong or like, Oh yeah, it's really it's really loud right now because I'm speaking directly into the mic. All that breath. That's clean breath though. Why did I do that? Why? 1 over n equals sin x. Sin times blank. 1 6. Why did the farmer buy a brown cow? Yeah, why did the farmer buy a brown cow? Comment down below.
Let's go.
Why does brown cow yogurt have probiotics? How? If you wanted chocolate milk. Back to the video. Nutty Nuggets. Whose bright idea was? Funny answering machine. Briefly explain what hard water is. Ice. That's true. So we are going to the second half. I didn't think I mentioned that, but there will be a second half to this video. First half we did funniest kids test answers. Now we will do worst children toys. Baby's first baby. You can just tell why this is stupid. Wait, baby's baby is pregnant too. How'd that happen? So, baby, right here, my mouse cursor, baby had a baby, and this baby is gonna have a smaller baby. Look at the bottle. So that's a Superman that you snuggle with. And that is a why does he have a hole in his mouth? Next. Kitty taser. Next. Black man. Harry Potter Obama. What? That first, Harry Potter and Sonic, two different things. Harry Potter, Sonic, and Obama are two way different things. Harry Potter is a mythical fiction book / movie series. Back, like I said, Harry Potter, mythical fiction, book novel / book / movie, Sonic, old game, and Obama, 44th president, first African American president. I feel, as an African American, I feel very offended. Milky. Whoa, Mickey Mouse. Hold up. What happened to the, hey kids, me, Mickey Mouse. What happened to that Mickey Mouse? Now we got, because I'm gonna eat you and you slut, Mickey. That kind of Mickey Mouse. What happened? Next. I poop. First two words is just, I poop glitter. No, I don't. This does. That's gonna make your kid think it's okay to poop on the ground. They can say, "Mommy, I poop glitter." Just imagine coming home to your kid. Coming home to your kid. Atomic Energy Lab. Now, this is meant for kids, not science, not mad scientists, I think. And it says Atomic Energy Lab. Next. Secretary set. So what, you're saying girls are supposed to be secretaries? Secretaries? Who made this? Harmony? Oh, I thought it was Harmony. Harmony, don't buy nothing from the brand called Harmony because they are pretty racist and sexist. You know what? Okay, I understand if your children are in like horror movies, but this is meant for kids, not 12-year-olds. Hey, and who would buy this? Speedy, Alien, Speedy, Green Arrow. Green Arrow. Squeeze my legs. That's what it says. E3PO. Well, hold on. If y'all don't understand, look at where the web is. E3PO. Wow. I'm looking down right now. I'm looking down right now. Because I'm just ashamed. How you gonna disrespect Star Wars like that? I took the time. Disrespect Star Wars. Cannibal? Question mark? Hashtag cannibalism? Luscious limbs. Winnie the Pooh! Jesus! Save it for Mrs. Pooh. I don't mess with demons. I don't mess with demons. The Lord. I don't mess with demons. And I say, I don't mess with no demons. I don't mess with no demons. What is it? A punch. Like, you know those things that you pull the trigger and it goes like a fist? No, this is an actual battery. It takes batteries and yeah. Can I say I don't mess with demons? Make your own ice balls. I guess you could say you're making blue balls. Because ice is water, blue, and like ice. Can I say I don't mess with demons? Grow a face. Again, I say, like this. Don't mess with demons. That sure look like one. I don't understand why some of these things aren't even on the list. Like, why? The baby looked demonic. Like, it's like, I'm gonna kill you in your sleep. And that looks like they're jerking off. But I think that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more of any of this, please tell me. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, my Reapers. Have a nice day. And stay on the happy side of YouTube. Peace.